First, turn on the power switch of the equipment. The control screen lights up, showing the initial interface. This is a fixed value test. During the fixed value test, ultraviolet testing can be selected here. Rain test can be selected here. This is the blackboard temperature setting. For example, we can set the temperature to 60 degrees centigrade. We set the irradiance to 0.51 watts. After completing these settings, you can click Start to run. Click here to view the test curve. On this interface, you can view the test curves we just did. Click the Settings button here, and you can set the time on this interface. Click here if you want the equipment to stop after running for 1 hour. Set it to 1 hour here. Turn on the timer settings. Return to the interface and click Start to run. Then the timer will start. This is the program test interface. Click here to enter the interface. This is the program number. You can select the program number to run here. For example, select 2 for program 2. The prerequisite is that the program must be edited first. For example, if you need the program to perform a UV test, click UV here. For the time settings, set it to 1 hour if you need a 1-hour run. For UV testing, you need to set the temperature. For example, 260 C. For example, set it to 0.51 watts here. For example, set the function below to rain. For the rain time, setting it to 0.18 means it will rain for 18 minutes. Then turn on the rain switch here. It will rain continuously. After completing all these tests, it will stop automatically. For program No. 2, you can set it here if you need it to run repeatedly in cycles. The default cycle count is 1. If you want 20 cycles, set it to 20 here. After completing the settings, return here. Select the program to run, then click Start. When the running time is up, it will stop automatically. This is the language settings interface. You can switch between Chinese and English here. This is the startup mode of the equipment. The startup modes include Stop, Cold Start, Hot Start. For example, the factory default setting is Stop, which means the machine will not restart automatically after power is restored. If Cold Start is selected, the machine will restart automatically when power is restored after a power failure, but the previous test time will be reset to 0. If Hot Start is selected, assuming the machine has tested for 10 hours before a power failure, it will continue running from the 10 hours when power is restored. This is the backlight time setting for the touch screen. For example, if set to 5 minutes, the screen will turn off automatically after being on for 5 minutes without any operation. This is the lock settings. After enabling the lock, the device cannot be operated to prevent accidental operation by others. We can turn it off and turn it on when needed. This is the alarm interface. When the equipment malfunctions, the corresponding fault code will be displayed here. This shows the start time and end time. This is the schedule time setting interface. For example, the current time is displayed here, and you can set the schedule time as needed. If you want the machine to start automatically on October 1st, 2026, just set the time and enable the timing function. Then return to the fixed value test or program test interface. Alternatively, keep this interface open and ensure the machine is powered on. It will run automatically when the schedule time arrives.